Gazi Bay. This is 18 square kilometers bay. It has mangroves, seagrasses, corals, and other associated biodiversity. Mangrove have been over-harvested to provide wood and building material. We have lost more than 20% of the forest cover in the last 20 years.
The wool of this village and other nearby villages depend on fishing. And the mangrove forest is the actually breeding area for the fish.
Endapo ile mikoko itaharibiwa, itakuwa kuna janga kubwa sana. Njaa itaongezeka.
Mangroves are very important when it comes to issues of shoreline stabilization, reducing of the strong waves from the ocean, and also they act as a buffer between now the communities which live adjacent to the forest area.
When you affect mangrove, you affect seagrasses, you affect coral reef, you affect fisheries, and you affect the marine ecosystem services in general. Mangroves are very special in trapping and storing carbon from the atmosphere. So when this forest is degraded, the carbon evaporates and we have a problem of climate change. So our role is how can we trap that carbon and trade it in the international carbon market. We are here trying to use the carbon financing mechanism to be able to grow and protect this forest. We have managed this for Gazi in Mikoko Pamoja for the last 5 years. And now, with support from the UNEP ICRI, we are moving to another village, which is Vanga.
The International Coral Reef Initiative funding is assisting us to actually start on the trading. The community will be able to sell carbon credits, and from the sale of the carbon credits, they're going to have funds that they can pump into the community. If I give the example of the Gazi community, they've been able to buy books for their school children. They've been able to buy some equipment for the hospitals. They've been able to bring in water, bring water closer to the community.
We'll be earning like $30,000 per year.
The other thing we're also doing is establishment of permanent monitoring plots for the community, and we have trained the community on how to do the monitoring that will follow and the reporting and verification.
Na lengo letu ni kwamba yule ambaye atanufaika ni mwanajamii wa kijiji cha Vanga, Jimbo na Kiwegu.
We used to cut back here, but now the local community said no, we cannot allow it because we are actually planting.
Kama mama kuna ameshukua dharura ama yuaumwa, isaga ntuma mimi nenda leo kasaidia kupanda mikoko.
Sana na sisi tuufurahia. Mwenyezi Mungu ajalie ufanikiwe na sisi tufaidike mbeleni na kizazi kinachokuja.